ug ang maulahi eliminated. Okay? Okay? Ready? Okay? Just Kung sa trial na kasi yun, anak, wala mong color. Oh, and you jump or you go to that color when I say, okay ha? Okay. Yellow. Woo! Oh, ang maulahi, eliminate. Okay? Final na ha, final. Final yan sa gudang music guy. Okay. Ready? Blue. Yellow. Green. Blue. Up. Kailangan walay maulahi. Okay. Make sure yan ha. Ready. Final. Blue. Oh. Nani hamba. Grabe gini ang you're very Royce Royale. Okay. Yellow. Green. Wow! Mali! Okay. Wala kailang color. Okay. Eliminate na. 9 more. Okay. Green. Oh! Out! Out! Ano nasunod ka kay Roy? Okay. Gamay na lang. Okay, next. Yellow. Green. Blue. Ingon na ko ang back lidagan. Ang back daw. Okay. Okay. Green. Blue. Green. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Green. Blue. Yellow. Oh. This is a game of endurance. Okay? Bawal. Nakahils. Good luck. Ay, gilabay. Okay. Again. Okay. Yellow. Blue. Green. Yellow. Green. Blue. Blue. Out. Okay. Okay, ready? Set. Go. Yellow. Blue. Green. Blue. Yellow. Green. Blue. Yellow. Green. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Brown. Very good. Okay, okay. Gagaling nyo ha. Okay, let's make a twist on this game. When I say blue, you go to green. When I say green, you go to yellow. Okay? Okay? Again, when I say blue, you go to green. When I say green, you go to yellow. Wala na. Ikaw, MC? Magbuot-buot? Okay. Ako nga rin magbuot. Doon akong magbuot. Pag yellow, yellow lang eh. Okay. Mga animal mo ha. Okay. Green. Bulok. Nagpala yung bubeta. Charot lang. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Green. Green. Yellow. Blue. Green. Oh! Saan ko na-eliminate? Wow, dayaan ha? Okay, next. Green. Green. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Green. Blue. Oh! Lahi ka. Loading mo utak, day. Lagi mo siya kung asang green or yellow. Okay, next. For ang madaog there is the top 3. Okay, tulo mo na ka-color. Okay, so isa lang eliminate na to. Ha?
Ang mabilin. Ang mali.
Magbuot lagi mo sa kuha, day. Ha? Dili sila ang kaya tulo mo na ka-color, so isa mo color, tulo ang madaog. Okay? Isa lang ba eliminate? Okay, sige. Okay na ha. Final natin. Okay, next. Blue! Oh, saan na? Tanggalan lagi mong shades, madam. Kaya di ka kaklaro sa color. Okay. Green. Blue. Green. Blue. Yellow. Brown. Wow, butuban. Kabalo yung wala. Okay. Green. Yellow. Blue. Green. Blue. Ulahin ka. Okay, congratulations our 3 winners. Okay, congratulations. You are going to receive the GT Skin products. Okay, these products are already expired, so charot lang. Okay. Congratulations, kaya pinabigay na lang. Ay, hindi pala skincare. GT Skin Pouch. With with facial wash. Para effective na siya, you're going to drink that before meal. Okay, thank you so much, Roy. Congratulations to our winner. Okay, are you ready for the next game? Do you have date? Or wala pa, hindi pa ready ang next game. So, at this moment, we're going to have another raffle. And please prepare Zumba instructor intermission number. Asan ang Zumba instructor? Okay? Ayan, okay. Be ready. We'll have our raffle, our second raffle promo. Ma'am Grace, please move forward to assist Sir Roy. Saan si Grace? Ayan, okay. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, huwag kang... Ayan. 10 ka. 10. Okay. Okay, our raffle is 10 pieces, 100% membership discount for 1 month. So wala kang babayaran ng isang buwan. Okay? Okay. Actually, our monthly rin nila mo tag 50 pesos. So, okay, our first 1 month free 100% goes to Gerald Amiable. Gerald? Tama? Where's Gerald? Gerald, okay. Congratulations, 1 month free. Sorry. Okay. Next, you have Franklin Rivera. Franklin, 1 month free gym. Okay, the next is Jonald. Jonald, our staff man is Jonald. Jonald na kay 1 month free gym. Okay, another one is si Garbo Jessa. Wow, 1 month free. Okay, pero ang imuhang karon ani gamiton dumbbells ng tanan. Okay. Next, Edgardo Sepe. 1 month free. Then we have Shamsi Albani. Okay, 1 month free. Okay. The next is si Vince Anchola. Then we have, congratulations to you, Chupi, 1 month free. Grabe, nakabil ko 1 month free gym. Congratulations. Wabil kami bayad. Next, si Paul Cyril Caraga. Next, we have Erica Lou Mendoza. Erica, 1 month free. Ang muna ilista. Then Anthony Gaspar. Yan, Sir Anthony, 1 month free. Ano daw man ko? Okay. Okay. Next, we have Abby Grace Mendoza. Okay. Isa na lang. And last, we have Okay. Janine Alimas. Janine 113. Ang inyong 113 is ma-avail ninyo 2028. Charot. And, Janine, saan ulit? Okay, Janine. Saka daw sa taas daw para may ebidensya. Okay, Amy Grace Mendoza. If you're around, please move forward. Anthony Gaspar. Okay, Shamsi Albani. Okay, Erica Lu Mendoza. Paul Cyril Caraga. Okay, Edgardo Sepe. Okay, Garbo Jessa. Franklin Guevara. And okay, Gerald Amable. Okay, yan. Oh, magbubot ng isa kayo. Instructor mo na yun, sir. Then, another one is we have si Penny Almonicar. Ito si Penny? Nandyan? Ma'am Penny. Daog ka ma'am, 1 month free. Wow, congratulations sa pag-picturean. Kamusta mo nila ma-avail, ma'am? 2028 pa, ha? Forward. Ano ba yun? Forward, ano? Okay, go. Smile! Sa mga nanonood, 1 month free. Okay. Ay, nasa certificate mo na ilang i-avail ang ilang 1 month free na certificate. Okay. Okay, ready na ang Zumba instructor? Ayan, okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have an intermission number from our Zumba instructors.